Don't be like me. Follow the directions on the bottom and do that. Don't do what I do. Okay? Follow the directions. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V here. Today we are going to go through the empties, and I'm going to tell you what I like, don't like, will try again, probably not. Basically my ratings on all my empties. So let's get into it. First things first, let's start with the good old Charlotte Tilbury magic water cream. That's what it looks like. I guess I could put whatever, just in case it ain't coming out good, I'll put it on the screen. There we go. Charlotte Tilbury's magic water cream. And as you can see, well, you can't see because I got this thing at the bottom, but it's empty. Now it's so empty that I used a Q-tip to get everything out of this mug, okay? So my rating for this, I would give this a 9 out of 10. And I'm only giving it a 9 out of 10. The one point I'm taking away from this is the packaging, because it's cute, but once we get to the bottom, trying to get the lotion out of the crevices of the container, terrible time. You literally have to use, I had to use my nail to scrape it out, or a Q-tip. But this is the Bombay. It's very moisturizing, very moisturizing. It leaves you with a little glow. Did I use it today? No, I didn't. Leaves you with a nice little glow. It's not heavy. I really like this one. This is my top 3 of moisturizing creams. Top 3. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream. Bio Oil Skincare Oil. This helps improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. So what I was using this for is, I did use it on my face, but this was more of a body oil for me because I had a breast reduction, and with that you get scars on your breast. So I was using it for that. And now that I'm back in the gym and all that, I'm about to start using it on the stretch marks, because once you start losing weight, baby, your skin realize, oh, we were stressed out. So I'm gonna start using this on my like stomach, arms, stuff like that. Bio Oil Skincare Oil, bomb. Okay, I need to put that on my cart right now. This is the KIEL'S Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This is top 2. This is top 2 for me, okay? This helps what it says, a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals for radiant, younger looking skin by morning. And when they say by morning, they mean it. So if I'm dealing with a terrible breakout, or I'm like real dry, it's starting to look crazy, and I put this on at night, baby, when I say I wake up to some goodness, like it always looks better the next day. So again, follow the directions and you good to go. This is a top 2 for me. I will never not have this. This is one of those ones, okay? All right, I even elevated to the bigger bottle. This is my travel one now, and I use the bigger bottle at home now. So let's move on to the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Salicylic. I'm about to put it on the screen. Listen, I'm not about to. So I got this in a kit to try. Jeez Louise. I got this in a kit to try, and it was cool. It was cool. As you can see, I used it all. So it was cool. Will I get this again? Probably not. I liked it, but I feel like I wouldn't ever get this on purpose. So I would give it, as far as the usage, the thing is that I don't know if I've seen the full results because I was absolutely still using this, but I liked it. I would give it a 7 out of 10, simply because I haven't used it alone and I don't know if the purpose that it has completely did its job. So I'll get a 7 out of 10. Will I buy it again? Not on purpose. If it came in another kit, I'll probably use it. But would I just go buy this? Probably not. Listen, follow the directions on it. Don't be like me. Follow the directions, because this is the OG triple OG, as you can see, empty. OG triple OG is on my list right now to go cop again. She's the one. She's the one. Now, this is a PM use. I do not recommend using this in the AM. This is PM use. Also, I don't recommend this if you don't wear sunscreen. Wear sunscreen. I don't care who you are. Put on some sunscreen. But anyway, OG triple OG. Now, the thing about what I did was sleep on this. I was only using this on my face. But for my new bottle, we are moving on to other body parts because I heard it works everywhere and we need that. I experienced like dark inner thighs. So I think I'm gonna start putting this on a cotton swab and wiping my inner thighs to see if it works there as well. If y'all wanna know how that's going, let me know. If you have any other tips and tricks for getting lighter inner thighs, also let me know about that too. Okay, but this right here, 10 out of 10, chef's kiss. Here is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore-Tight and Toner. Again, another empty. I'm definitely gonna put them on the screen. Okay, so my thoughts about this. I like it. Does it play well with others? No. So I find that this works best when you combine it with like other Glow Recipe items. Now, if your whole routine is full of Glow Recipe, then you probably go there. But if you try to mix this with this, no. So for that reason, it's a nice toner, but because it doesn't play well with others, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Would I buy it again? Yes, because I already did. So the nights that I don't use this, I will use this. But it does not play well with others. It doesn't even play well with vitamin C, vitamin E oil, vitamin C oil. It doesn't play well with others. So 7 out of 10, would buy it again. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. She one of them ones. She's one of those ones. I would definitely buy this again. I will say this is my favorite out of the Glow Recipe little pack that I had. This is my favorite thing. It is definitely very glowy. You definitely get, I feel like when I used it, certain areas were a little more brightened, more appeared brightened, if nothing else, when I used this. So I will get this again. My rating is a 9 out of 10. No, I want to say 8.5 out of 10. So I don't like the packaging because it is a pump. Although pumps are great, once it gets to a certain amount, you definitely got to take the pump out and try to get it out. Other than that, 8.5 out of 10. Next, the OG triple OG, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Yes, she's one of them ones. Top 3 empty, okay? Top 3, and I already got another one in the cabinet. Top 3, fully recommend. If you're looking just for a very good moisturizing, damn near 24 hours, at least 12 if nothing else. I definitely put it on in the morning, go to work, I can run errands and all, come home and I'm still feeling moisturized, okay? She's one of those ones. If you really have dry skin, her, 10 out of 10, no complaints, all wins, get that one. Win, this is a 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 win. Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream. She's cool. I like her. She's more, what the hell is that? She's more like top 8, because I like the Hydro Boost from Neutrogena. Pretty similar to this one. So if you're already using one, it's really no need to switch to this one. I will give it a 8 out of 10 simply because I've had better ones. It's lightweight. Last and certainly not least, at the least, the Dr. Dennis Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. GOAT. 10 out of 10. If you have a rough, textured, bumpy, acne prone skin, this is the one. It says ideal for combination, oily skin, advanced signs of aging, stubborn breakouts, uneven tone and texture, or enlarged pores. This is the one. Comes with 2, they call them daily pills, but it's 2, they look like alcohol pads. That's what it looks like, a 2-pack of alcohol pads. But baby, now I will say that's a 10 out of 10. However, it is on the costly side. The big bottle, the big box, that's for a month is $92 at Sephora. But as you can see, like that one, they have some ones that goes on sale. So that one was $15. They have a small one if you want to try it, because you know my favorite thing to say is to get a sample or buy the travel size to make sure you like it before you buy the big one. So get the $5 box, because they have, I use extra strength, but they have one that's less strong. So get which one you want to try, but try that. That's the GOAT, not gonna lie. But that is all for now. This has been my empties. I feel like we all come on here and tell you guys what we bought. We never come on and tell you how we liked it at the end. We definitely do a lot of hauls of what I got, but this is what I liked and what I didn't like. So it's been real. Let me know what skincare y'all trying in the comments. I'm looking to try the Good Molecules of vitamin C. I've heard good things about that. I'm looking to try that. So y'all let me know in the comments what y'all using. Other than that, it's been real. It's your girl, Fee, and peace.